Hello, my name is Tyler Jankowski, and in this video I'm going to do a quick overview of what I did during my internship as an application developer. My main focus was adding functionality to software and the website that they had developed. I will be showing you some of what I did on the using the website as an example, and they have their website coded in .NET Framework. So this page is a maintenance page, and I added a lot of the functionality here to these buttons. They load a different page, and then we also have a customer info page. So if you click that, you'll be shown customer info, and then you can navigate with these tab bars. However, if you click a button, then you'll be loading a different page, or loading a new page over it, as well as having the same sort of tabs, and then you're also going to be displayed a different menu with this tab auto selected. Another button loads a different page, in which we have JavaScript to automatically point the cursor, and then this button loads the same page as previous, but with different settings and no auto focus. So then we'll view the code, and I'll show the HTML first. So this is the HTML page of the page I just showed. What I would do is either add like a list item here, which could be another tab, or it could navigate you to a whole nother page. And then up here is some of the buttons, which can do the same functionality, or if you could have an on client side action in which it could do some JavaScript, or you can do an on click event, which will call a function in the C, which is even more code behind. And I'll show that now. So this is the code behind the HTML, and this is in C, and this is what's actually building the page. So this is the main onload function, and that's going to read in your parameters and set the page to certain values that you want, certain styles, certain button functionalities. Maybe some buttons are visible and others are not. And then at the bottom, it also binds all your data, and this is how your objects are being built. And then lastly, we'll go through the SQL real quick. So this is a default stored procedure that I just have blank names for security and demonstration purposes. But we would take in a parameter, and then we would select which fields we want, and then we would do a compare between two tables for like a certain ID, and then as well as doing a compare versus the parameter. And so that's about it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.